Come in. Hey guys, today I would like to show you our villa in Maldives. Let me show you around. So when you enter the room, you see this amazing minibar with a lot of stuff actually, and this thing here is complimentary, so everybody gets it. Yes, so there is a tea, there is Nespresso. I love Nespresso, by the way. Here is our room. The bed is really massive. It's a king size. We also have 2 sofas, which is cool. We're quite unlucky with the weather though. So this is beginning of May and it's beginning of the rain season. It means that usually at night there are thunderstorms and in the morning there are showers, but in the afternoon it's fine, it's just not sunny. Would you love to work with this view? I would love to. I wish I could work remotely, but can't really. This is the kingdom of whatever bathroom. A toilet with a view, a shower with a view. Look at the view. Sometimes there are tiny fishes. And then down here is the most beautiful bathroom. And you know, you can open the curtains. Oops, an elevator. And that's. We also have a massive terrace. It's a bit windy. Oops. So here's another sofa. Here we have a cool sunbed. Privacy. And we have a private entrance. The ocean is really just a few steps away. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you consider coming to Maldives, because Maldives is really beautiful. We really like it here. It's our second day here. It's actually our second day, but the first time to Maldives, and we are really impressed. We just wish it was a bit sunnier.